meet you.
Hey! Alrighty, everybody. So we decided to take a detour and come to the lodge. And we have heard they are known for their chicken.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Supposed to be the best fried chicken around. And people come here from all over just for their chicken. And it's a pretty building. It's really pretty.
So this is the lodge.
Yes, this is the lodge. Hi, we're entering the lodge.
Hey guys.
Hey, hey.
Tim.
And it's beautiful in here. So this is the inside of the lodge. Here's a couple of our friends from last night. That's Rick that was singing. And that's cool, y'all. And it looks like we have a big bull over here. Look at this guy. Please do not touch. But he's super cool. Oh, look at this little guy. He's so cute. They have a miniature of the lodge. And say she did this.
Are you have
Mushroom. I'm all about some mushrooms, y'all. It's a mushroom birdhouse. How cute. Charlie, I'm into mushrooms now. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know.
And there's the little campers. Wind chimes. Of course, I'm the one that has to touch everything, you know. I think that's cool.
We always do this the Sunday before Halloween.
Oh, is that right?
Really? The Sunday before?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Because, you know, if it's during the week, it wouldn't be near as busy.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I love it. It's our first time. So.
Oh, is it? Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you. So some more of the goodies that they have. I love these little trees, y'all. They're just so pretty. Look at that. And you have some jewelry. I love that. Necklace. Dream catchers. So pretty. Happy camper. There's books. So they've got a little bit of everything. Beautiful stones. My grandson, he loves things like that. Near, let me see. That is so cute. I love it. If this little guy doesn't move and scare me, then we're good. Support our veterans. Amen. That is the Shawnee room. Oh, and look at this old piano. Nice. It says Giant City Lodge. Wow. Yeah, do you mind being on?
It doesn't bother me.
Awesome. So what's your name?
I'm Jordan.
Jordan?
Yes.
And do you like it here at the lodge?
I love it a lot. It's a really good place to work.
I love your outfit. It's so cute. I'll just kind of go down. That is so cute. This is our first time here, so we're excited.
Yeah. Well, welcome.
Thank you. Fireplace.
How you doing?
Hi. Seating area. And then there is the small bar area here. You go. Okay. Okay, thank you. Hey, babe.
All right. Round one, everybody.
All right.
And I'll bring extra napkins with you.
All right, thank you. So they said it's, what they call this?
It's just a family style.
Family style.
They supposedly just keep bringing it to you.
Yeah. So this is round one. What do you have there?
I wonder if it's like an apple butter or
It
something.
looks like apple butter or pumpkin butter. I'd say
Or
apple.
pumpkin maybe.
I'd say apple. But it looks good. And then you have a roll
Biscuits.
and biscuit. Oh, biscuits. Okay.
Biscuits.
And then there's the fluffy butter as well if you don't like flavored butter.
How you doing? YouTube? Yeah.
We do.
You got any? It's Hare's Last Resort Adventures.
Hare's Last Resort Adventures?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we be in the video?
Yeah, you're in it right now.
Hi. What's up, YouTube?
Hey, thank you guys. So fun. Yours doesn't zoom out as much as mine, so it's a little bit harder for me to fit you in there. So let's.
Oh, we'll get ready to find out what this is. I think
Okay. And there's.
It's kind of hard to tell. It's really good. It's kind of hard to tell.
Apple butter. It's really good.
Really good.
And she said this was the first horse. So we also have slaw. Sorry, y'all. I can't maneuver Charlie's phone as well as mine. Mine died. So we have slaw and the biscuits. Okay, let's take a bite. Okay, so we're having to compromise a little bit because I don't know how to maneuver his phone. And it doesn't zoom out as much as mine. So bear with us. But we're going to try the coleslaw. Charlie, would you like some coleslaw?
Absolutely.
And this is, it's creamy based coleslaw, which is what I like. I don't like the vinegary base. Good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, it is creamy, but it's not overly. You know what I mean? It's not a lot.
Can I have a fork? You took my fork.
You're welcome.
All right, so let me try. It's good.
It's good.
Very good. I like that. So I do want to try one of these biscuits.
Oh, sorry. I guess I could have fixed you. Sorry.
No, you're not.
I am.
So I'm going to take some of this apple butter, y'all. And I'm going to smother it. That's not really smothered, is it?
It's pretty smothered, bud.
Here, apple butter and biscuit. That's good. That's really good. So now, what are you waiting for?
Huh?
What are you waiting for?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. That should be coming next. So
It looks like mashed potatoes and gravy and green beans and maybe mac and cheese. I don't know what all they got.
yeah, you don't order off the menu; they just bring it to you, family style. So we'll be getting fried chicken, mashed potatoes, green beans, corn, I think, and of course slaw. Not sure what else. So, but anyway, we'll bring you back when we have food. Okay, y'all. So this is a big plate. Here's my plate, and I've got a little bit of everything. I got the mashed potatoes, corn, green beans, what is that? Chicken and dumplings and chicken. I'm a breast kind of girl, so I took the breast.
And I don't care.
Yeah, he's just whatever. So I'm gonna take a bite of the green beans first,
All right.
and then you can pick something.
Well, everybody has talked about this fried chicken, so I'm jumping into the fried chicken. Beans are good.
They're good. They got a different taste. They're almost like a little bit of sweetness to them. I've not had them like this before, but they're good. Does it live up to the hype?
That's a good fried chicken, y'all. Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna dig into the corn. So here is the corn. That's good. Tastes like fresh corn, cream stone. Like I would make it home and throw a little flour in there. I'm not sure how they made it, but that's good.
I want to try some of that too.
Good.
Yep. Nice taste. Wait a minute.
Tell me if they're real.
Yeah, they're made from real potatoes, right?
So here's my mashed potatoes with gravy. They're good.
They're good.
They taste real. If they're not real, they taste real. All right, what's next?
The chicken and dumplings.
All right, go for it.
Let me taste it first.
As good as mine.
Maybe. Ain't none as good as anything.
What? He lies. All right, my turn. Here's the chicken and dumplings.
That's good.
They are good.
They're good.
They're not doughy. They're not too big. They've got a nice chickeny flavor. Yeah, they're good. I'm pleased. All right. I guess the last thing for me to try is the chicken. So I'm gonna. This is the breast, and it looks nice and tender and juicy. Good.
Good with it?
Got a good flavor.
Yeah. I like the seasoning.
Look at that. Big honk of meat.
So I can see why now people come from miles around. They say for this chicken,
Yeah, me too.
and it's a beautiful place.
Oh my gosh, the restaurant y'all saw, it's amazing. It's kind of like a castle type atmosphere.
Yeah.
But okay. I did give him fingers and all, but we're gonna eat. We'll be back later. Finger looking good, y'all.
So y'all do this on the Sunday before Halloween, right?
Yeah.
Every year. Ain't this cool, y'all? That's awesome.
I think that'd be really
Just a bunch of kids having fun. What's she saying?
Okay, so our waitress, who is a Karen. She's Karen.
Yes, this is Karen.
This is Karen.
No, thank you.
Coffee, anything, guys?
No, we're good. Thank you. Karen said we had to have dessert or we couldn't leave. So, Charlie is having the apple crisp. And what is that? Cinnamon
Some kind of
Tazo or something ice cream.
ice cream, yeah.
And then I chose the bread pudding, and she says it has like a bourbon glaze on it. So, what do you think, Charlie?
Oh, that ice cream's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You want to take another bite for all of our friends out here who are
All of our
watching you?
friends?
Yeah. You want to show them your...
Don't want what?
I was going to see if you wanted to share it with them.
Share it.
Yeah, like...
Oh, I like a bite.
Here, I'll come to you. Look, does that not look delicious? Ooh, that looks good.
It's cause it is.
All right. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Well worth it, huh?
Huh?
Well worth going through the argument with Karen.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
All right.
She is the nicest Karen I've ever met.
She really is. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try my bread pudding. She said it has a bourbon glaze. So let's just take a bite. All right. That's bread pudding. I don't think I've ever had bread pudding before, so. That's good.
You like it?
It's soft cinnamony. That glaze is amazing. Good choice. Love it.
So Karen done good?
Karen did good.
Oh my gosh, we are so stuffed.
I'm so full, y'all.
Yeah, so we was at the campground. We had some friends met up with some people there that recommended this place that fried chicken was. People come from miles around to get the fried chicken.
And we got the chicken behind us.
And we did. I understand now why they come to get it. And I mean, they just pile on the food. All you can eat, $17.99 per person.
$17.99.
Yeah.
And we didn't even get refills, y'all, because
No, I mean, just one. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the bowls she brought in first, and the I think it was a half a chicken that she brought out to begin with, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, after that, we were.
And everything was so good. Like the green beans were delicious. But to me, they had a little sweet taste to them. I've never had that before, but they were really good. The mashed potatoes, they tasted better than instant, but I'm not going to say that they weren't instant because I don't know for sure. But they were really good. They were good. And the gravy was amazing.
Yeah.
And what do you think? The chicken and dumplings, what do you think?
Oh, yeah. I love the chicken and dumplings, too.
And corn.
So, all of it was good.
It was all good.
It was all good.
And so, and that apple butter was delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, and then they offered dessert. So we did go with dessert. He got the apple crisp with cinnamon. What was that?
Cinnamon something ice cream.
Yeah. And then I went with bread pudding, which I've never had before.
Yeah.
And it had a bourbon glaze, and y'all, it was to die for. So if you're in the area, come on down to Giant City. And do not leave this place without checking out
the lodge.
Yeah. Then the atmosphere, the people, I mean, everybody was just awesome. And you'll see that. You've probably already seen it in the video because this is the closing. But Karen was her dress up name. I'm not sure what her
I don't know, but
real
whenever I
name
hollered
was.
her, Karen, she
Yeah.
came, so maybe it's her real name too. I don't know.
So, but anyway, she was awesome. Took really good care of us. Tried to give us more food, but we just couldn't do it. We just couldn't.
No.
So anyway, that's our final review, and we will definitely come back.
Oh yeah, we're trying to make plans now so we can come back and see more of the stuff that we missed this weekend as far as the trails and stuff like that. So
yeah. So if you're in the area, come on down and try them out.
Yep.
You won't be disappointed, I promise.
And watch our other videos on Giant City on the campground and then the walkthroughs too. So.
Yep, because we'll have our full stay, then we'll have the walkthrough, and then this video, of course.
Yep.
So check out all of our videos. Follow along with us, guys. We love you. We appreciate it.
Yep.
And leave us a comment below. Let us know what you're thinking.
That's right.
Say hi.
Just say hi.
Yeah, just say hi. Okay, we are hitting the road. So till next time, guys.
Get your butts off the couch.
And
oh yeah, come eat with us.
Come on along.